Servus und hello, welcome to this small business vlog where I tell you all about my business and how it's going, and I actually forgot something, so I'm going to grab that. This will be a shorter video for a change, as it is fairly late at night. I just thought I would give you some update. If you follow me on Twitter, you may have seen a post about vases. This one is gold, and I have some more marble ones not laying around. I did them originally just for fun, but then I looked at the license, Creative Commons license, that allows selling but needs attribution, which is fairly easy. You just put the link in your listing and then you've told the buyer where your original file was from, which is a legit way to make money. People can buy these. If I would sell these vases, especially like the taller ones, I would have to tweak my printing profile a bit, because I'm currently printing these on my in PLA on my Atelier Genius that does not have part cooling. And that does mean that this is not the cleanest of prints, as you can maybe see. But you don't even notice that at arm's length. It's just when it hits the light at just the right spot. But if you put it on a shelf somewhere, it looks really nice. I still have to check whether they are waterproof, which they should kind of be. Could theoretically put plants in here or adjust the size in such a way that you could put a small plant pot in here and then put a plant in it, because then it looks nice. Yeah, I've checked this out in marble and gold so far, because that is the PLA I had laying around. Looked amazing. My mom brought up a topic of, can you put a candle in there? And I was like, you better not put an actual candle in there, but an LED candle works. I went to the hardware store and got one, and it looks fairly nice. I've checked it on the marble one. I still have to check it on the gold one, because the marble is slightly translucent, and that means you get the candlelight shine through the base, which looks really nice. This is just, maybe this indicates it. This is the main body of Tiamat, the goddess of evil dragons. I even have one of her wings, which is as big as my hand, and I have a fairly large hand. The customer bought this miniature. At first I was like, oh no. And then looked at it again, saw that there were pre-supported files, and I was like, I'll try. Failed twice. No, I didn't try the wings originally. I did a bad job supporting the wings, but somehow they recovered after 50%. So I did a 23-hour print, which recovered halfway, but it's a toss. And the body failed too, so I just do my own supports, which I mainly do anyway on the medium creatures. Then I realized that I should maybe not be that cheap, because the labor that has went into the mini right now is way below the price point, and also almost the material cost. I break even on this order, but on the following orders I will get a monetary benefit, because I have adjusted my prices accordingly. The bigger models now cost a little more, because I mostly print them solid for a nice hefty feel, because I want people to have a hefty feel with a big mini, but it also costs a lot, and hollowing is fairly complicated. I've managed to do it quite well on the Tiamat mini, but yes, I want heftier miniatures, because they are in itself quite flimsy, and I just like the feeling of it. Talking about price points, I have signed up to the DHL business portal. It is one of the biggest shipping companies here in Germany, and they ship everywhere in Germany and all over the world. And if you have around 200 packages you send in a year, you can sign up for the business portal, and the base price for the packages goes down from 5 or 4.99 € to 4.30 €, which means that something like this, this is my smallest packaging for miniatures, doesn't have to be included in the price anymore, so I will have a greater monetary benefit, which is fairly small considering the work I do. Yeah, it just helps me pay off the increasing prices for these things. I have like 69 cents to pay in shipping materials, which I do pay. I invest in these small boxes and in some packaging materials. I will also get these, I'll put a picture right here. These are bubble wrap bags that I want to put the miniatures in, because that is also a nicer way of protecting it, because currently I'm wrapping them in paper towels and that does not look that professional, but it works. The thing that I just held up I just got a restock of those and some more packaging, because I ran out, because not a lot of people buy Tiamat or bigger minis in general, and I do not like to send a big box with just a small item in it like Amazon does, but that's because of their system. Just got I got 60 for $50, including shipping. And if I wouldn't be a small business, I would get the tax that is on this item returned to me after my business year, but that is not the case, so I just pay it and it's easier for bookkeeping. I am very happy to announce that if I posted this on Twitter the other day or yesterday, that my PFA/nFEP sheets samples are on the way to me from a EU certified company here in Germany. These foils are made in Germany. And I have in their warehouse there's on the roll of the PFA, I think they call it tech film, is a small label where my name is on it. So I have them for sure. If I deem them worthy of selling, I will. They are ROHS confirm. That is the first serious product that will hopefully hit my shop soon. Available in the sizes of your standard Master Pros and on the Saturn sizes ish. I made sure to get the bigger versions that are available. For example, the FEP sheets for Saturn are smaller than the FEP sheets for an Epex E10, for example. And I went with the size for the Epex E10 because that also fits the Saturn, but the Saturn one probably does not fit the E10. The first runs of these will not be super cheap because I have to make money back to, increase the production. But they will be probably be cheaper than the ones that you can get from the bigger companies, and they are made in Germany. And they are shipped from Germany, so it's very fast shipping, and I'm looking forward to selling those and then spreading the word to other makers or hobby selling businesses, because there are a couple that are kind of in my area that sell 3D printing related things, but I want to focus on the resin printing side because that is what I mainly do, because I do it as a business and I like it a lot. The last topic for today is my water washable resin video that got a lot of traction that I did not think it would get. And there are a couple of things in the comments of that video that I really appreciate that people point out, and I want to make a follow-up video on that. I will get started on the script soon so I can film it and then publish it to the internet with a more constructed way of criticizing the product. Some people don't understand that you can have an opinion, and that is your opinion, and then you can disagree with somebody, and that is still your opinion. But more on that in that video. I will see you in the next video. I hope you had a great day, because you made it a great day. I hope you print something and that you have no print failures. I will see you in the next video. Tschüss und auf Wiedersehen.